Yo, Dream Chasers! Quick poll. If the universe handed you one wish today, what would you grab? Type it in the comments. First 50 replies get a shout out. I'll drop 8 battle-tested steps to bag literally anything you want. Money, muscles, grades, whatever. No boring TED Talk vibe. We're firing meme-grade jokes, real-life hacks, and zero fluff. Stick till the end for a rapid-fire challenge that could level up your life before sunset. Ready to upgrade scrolling time into goal scoring time? Smash that play bar. We're rolling now. Clarity beats talent. Write your goal like a GPS pin. Save $2K for a gaming PC by December 1st. Smokes. Get rich someday. Tape that sentence over your monitor, then scribble the Y underneath. That Y is rocket fuel when Wi-Fi is slow or motivation ghosts you. Olympic athletes obsess over millimeters. Copy that obsession. Bonus hack. Set a daily phone alarm that says, "Future you is cheering, don't flake." Your brain loves reminders, give it one. Your skull contains a free IMAX. Use it. Close your eyes and watch a high-def trailer of success, the PayPal cha-ching, that PC unboxing smell, the grin on your face. Neuroscientists say vivid mental reps fire the same circuits as real action. Free practice, baby. Layer the senses. Hear cheering, feel keyboard clicks, taste celebratory pizza. 90 seconds of mind cinema outperforms 30 minutes of doom scrolling. Facts. Big goals starve without snacks. Feed 'em micro habits. Want that 2K? Schedule 25-minute money sprints instead of grind all night. Timer on, distraction killers off, knock out one listing, one client email, or one product design, then dance break. Stack habits. Record a TikTok review while your coffee drips. Lego bricks become castles. Same logic. 2-minute tasks? Do 'em now. Momentum is Spider-Man's web, laziness is the villain. Closed mouths don't get fed. Slide into DMs with value. Hey, I edited 10 seconds of your vlog. Thoughts? Worst case equals ghost. Best case equals collab plus coins. Hang on LinkedIn, Discord, Roblox dev forums, wherever your tribe hides. Magic phrase, how can I help you win today? It rewires strangers into allies. Upgrade your circle. Remember, you're the average of your 5 closest contacts. Choose champions. Gamers watch leaderboards, achievers watch spreadsheets. Build a free Google Sheet called Mission Control. Columns, date, action, result, mood, feelings, or data. Review every Sunday. If stats flatline, switch tactics faster than you swap Fortnite skins. Treat failure like a respawn. Each tweak equals XP. Grind. Post updates on Insta stories. Public accountability plus algorithm love. Brains chase dopamine, so bribe yours. For every 5 money sprints completed, cash in a mini reward. A latte, 15 minutes of Rocket League, new emoji pack. Make the reward immediate and guilt-free. Big secret! Small pleasures linked to productive habits create feedback loops stronger than sheer willpower. Celebrate progress, rinse, repeat. Willpower is flimsy. Environment is king. Remove friction. Keep your editing laptop on a clean desk. Block social apps during sprint hours. Stash textbooks under the couch remote. Add triggers. Sticky note on the fridge that says, "Record reel before snacks." Turn your room into a cheat code that forces focus. You'll start winning on autopilot. Plot twist happen. Wi-Fi drops, parents call, code bugs out. Pivot. Don't panic. Swap tasks. If Canva crashes, brainstorm captions on paper. Adopt the mantra, flexible consistency. Progress isn't a straight line, it's more like a messy Spotify waveform, but the track still slaps. Keep moving, adjust the beat, stay in the song. Recap time. Clarity, visualize, micro habits, ask, track, reward, environment, resilience. Which step are you starting today? Comment below. I'm replying to the first 100 legends. If this video leveled you up, obliterate, like, punch, subscribe, and ring the bell before it hides. Share with one friend who says someday more than today. Let's flip their script. Dreams are free, executions on sale. Grab yours now. Set a 25-minute timer, finish one micro task, and meet me back in the comments to flex your win. Peace!